What if your blender could be adding things you never asked for into your food? And what if choosing the right one could actually make a real difference in what you drink every day? In this video, we're looking at the best non-toxic blenders. I went through a wide mix of user feedback, expert opinions, and real discussions online to get a clear picture of what people are saying and what actually matters. These picks fall into different price ranges, and each one fits different needs, so it's worth sticking around to see which one lines up best with what you're looking for. You'll find links to all the products in the description below. If you find this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss what's next. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. Now, let's get into the reviews. Number 6, Hamilton Beach Power Elite, Model 58148A. This one keeps things simple and gets the basics done. It's a common choice for people who want something easy for daily blends without spending too much. You're getting 700 watts of peak output and a 40-ounce glass jar, which is a nice touch at this level. The wave action system keeps ingredients moving down into the blades, so blends stay more even without stopping all the time. There are 12 functions controlled by 5 buttons, giving you a bit of flexibility for smoothies, sauces, or light chopping. You can even add ingredients mid-blend through the small cap on the lid, which makes quick adjustments easier. The included 3-cup chopper is useful for small prep tasks like veggies or dips. Cleanup is one of the strong points here. The jar, lid, and removable blades can go right into the dishwasher, and the glass build feels sturdy compared to plastic options. There's even a pour spout, which helps keep things neat. That said, results can vary with tougher ingredients. Some users mention chunks left behind with frozen fruit or ice, and the noise level can be pretty high. The lid can feel tight too. It fits into the budget range and works best for simple blends and easy cleanup. Number 5, Oster Classic Series Heritage Blender. Stepping things up a bit, this one leans into strength and a more classic design. It keeps things simple on the surface, yet there's a lot going on under the hood. You're looking at a 1,000-watt peak motor paired with an all-metal drive system, which helps transfer that strength right into the blades. The 6-cup glass jar feels more premium than plastic, and it handles cold blends like smoothies and frozen drinks with ease. The 4-point stainless steel blade setup is built for crushing ice and breaking down tougher ingredients. And many people say it gets through frozen fruit without slowing down. Controls are as simple as it gets, with a 2-speed toggle switch. That might sound basic, though it makes operation quick and easy with no guesswork. The vortex action inside the jar helps pull everything down, so blends stay consistent. There are a few trade-offs. Noise is a big one here, with many saying it gets very loud. Some users mention wear over time, and parts can be harder to replace now. It lands in the budget range and stands out for strong blending and simple controls. Number 4, Clean Blend Commercial Blender. Moving into a more heavy-duty option, this one is built for bigger batches and tougher blends. It leans closer to what you'd expect from something used in a busy kitchen setup. You're getting an 1,800-watt motor with a large 64-ounce container, so it's ready for smoothies, soups, nut mixes, and more without needing multiple rounds. The stainless steel container stands out here, especially if you want to avoid plastic contact. Inside, there's an 8-blade setup that pulls ingredients down fast and breaks them apart with ease. A variable speed knob gives you more control, which helps when switching from soft blends to thicker mixtures. The included tamper is useful for dense recipes, letting you keep things moving without stopping the machine. Many people say it handles leafy greens and frozen fruit with no trouble, and it can even heat soups through blending. There are a few things to keep in mind. It can get loud, and the size may feel a bit bulky on smaller counters. Some users mention needing to hold the lid down during use. This one sits in the mid-range and focuses on strong performance and large capacity. Number 3, Ninja HB150C, HB152. This next one brings something a bit different to the table with both blending and heating in one unit. It's aimed at people who want more than just cold drinks from their blender. You've got a 1,400-watt motor for blending, paired with an 800-watt heating element that can cook soups right in the pitcher. The glass container has a non-stick coating, which helps keep stains and buildup down over time. With 12 preset programs, you can switch between smoothies, frozen drinks, soups, and sauces with just a button press. The system handles ice and tougher ingredients well, and many users mention smooth results without chunks. There's even a built-in cleaning cycle. Just add water and soap, run the program, and it takes care of most of the mess. The tamper is included too, which helps move thicker mixes without stopping. There are a few downsides worth thinking about. The pitcher can feel heavy, especially when full, and the unit itself can get pretty loud. Some users report issues with long-term reliability, mainly with the motor or heating side. It falls into the mid-range and stands out for its mix of hot and cold blending options. Number 2. Waring Commercial BB300S. Coming in next, this one takes a more classic, commercial-style approach. It feels like something built for busy kitchens where speed and simplicity matter more than extra features. You get a 1-horsepower motor, rated around 1800 watts, paired with a 48-ounce stainless steel container. That metal jar is a big plus if you want to avoid plastic contact, and it's built to handle frequent use. The controls stick to a manual toggle setup with high, low, and pulse, which keeps things quick and easy without menus or presets. It's especially strong with frozen drinks, and many users say it blends ice down fast with a smooth result. Cleanup stays simple too. The removable rubber pad under the jar helps with wiping things down and can cut some vibration during use. There are a few things to watch for. It doesn't pull ingredients down on its own, so you may need to stop and stir, especially with thicker mixes. Adding ice too fast can cause uneven blending. Some users mention mixed durability over time as well. This one leans into the premium range and focuses on straightforward, heavy-duty blending. Number 1. Vitamix Propel Series 750. At the top of the list, this one brings a mix of strong blending and smart controls in a more refined package. It's built for people who want consistent results across a wide range of recipes. It runs on a 2.2 horsepower motor and uses a 64-ounce low-profile container that fits under most cabinets. The blade system is designed to pull ingredients down into a tight vortex, which helps create very smooth textures, even with leafy greens or seeds. There are 10 speed settings, along with a pulse option, so you can fine-tune how everything blends. On top of that, you get 4 preset programs for things like smoothies, soups, frozen desserts, and dips, making it easy to get repeatable results. The self-cleaning cycle keeps things simple. Add warm water and soap, run the program, and it's ready again in about a minute. The tamper helps with thicker mixes, so you don't have to stop mid-blend. Some users mention issues with long-term reliability. It can get loud at higher speeds too. This one sits in the premium range and focuses on performance, control, and versatility. That wraps up this look at the best non-toxic blenders. If you want to keep exploring, I've got more videos like this on the channel. Feel free to check them out next. Thanks for watching.